Hello everyone, my name is David from Litex Tech Support, and today I'll show you how to change the email address, phone number or country on Twitter or X as it's named now. I'll show you where to locate these settings as you can see on the screen right now. So normally when you'll open up the Twitter app or X app, I'm trying to get used to that, you will be on the newsfeed page. So I will just tap once on my profile picture from the upper left side of the screen. Now settings and support and settings and privacy, and let's head into your account and account information, and right inside here you can add a phone number. You will have to type your password, the email address, you can change it, and also the country. As you can see, I'm in Romania, I can go to Russia. So that being said, just head into account information and here you can change phone number, email address, country, or even the username if that's what are you looking for. I really hope I was being helpful with this tutorial. If you didn't found them until now, don't forget to leave a question right under this video if you have any, if you couldn't found them, because Twitter is updating all the time. Please have a wonderful day.